Okay, I'm on my way to pick up a 2000 or 2002, actually I'm not even really sure, Discovery 2, another one. This will make number 3 in like a month. This one popped up just a couple of miles away from me, and it's got a bad head gasket, but the cool thing is it's got a safety devices roof rack. So I am going to buy this truck basically just to get that roof rack. The guy said he's put a lot of other new parts on it, starter, alternator, brand new battery. It's got some other good bits according to the seller. So I am on my way to check it out, and unless something is just terribly wrong, I'll be buying it. You caught a glimpse of that. I'm in the LR3 and my check engine light is back on. I got a small evap leak that maybe I'll take care of one day, but maybe not. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, here we are. Dealership. Lots of good Land Rover stuff here. Love that classic with the mismatched hood and the P38. Here it is. A brand new D2. Got attacked by a moth there. Oh man, it's got like a whole extra interior. But that's what I'm really here for. Not terrible. Too bad the engine's toast, essentially. They said the tires were new. I don't know about that. Let's see what your subframe looks okay. Okay, so I bought it. It doesn't start or run. It does turn over, but yeah, I knew it needed a head gasket, so I'm gonna have it towed back to my place. I was hoping to drive it, but man, this thing is rough. It had a rough life on a farm, apparently, but you know, no worries. We're gonna make the best of it. Probably just use it for parts. But if anybody wants the body after I take some stuff off of it, just let me know. I don't think I'm going to try to save this one, or maybe I will. You can convince me in the comments. Okay, let's see what happens. I got the jump pack, starting fluid. Let's go give it a try. All right. I think it's dead.